Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. We're super excited to launch our video series here in 2026. We have our friend Vincent Ramirez here, who has received a scholarship through the Piston Foundation to do a 5-day course here in the workshop. And Vincent has a cool project that he's been working on. Vincent, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I go to school in Massachusetts, and I'm originally from Minnesota, and I just love working on cars. I have a 51 Ford and a 79 BMW R100. So
awesome.
The project I brought in is an S fairing from a BMW, which I hope to put on my bike one day. So
cool. So we're going to try to get a scan of that fairing and get it into the computer, do some modeling on it, and see what we can do with it.
So we're going to be using the Shining 3D Einscan Rigil to scan this today. On this scanner, we have laser mode and infrared mode. We're going to be using laser scan today. We're going to go with global marker mode rather than marker alignment. So that allows us to pre-record the global markers on the part.
Oh, it does.
This here.
All right. Yeah, that's
so you can
a
see the
pretty
part.
good shape.
Yeah. So now we'll see how the data pickup goes. So you can see it switched over to point cloud, and our resolution is 0.5 millimeter. So I'm just gonna hit play just like I did on the global markers, and then you can see it starts building the mesh.
Yeah, the mesh starts forming. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty intuitive to use.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I think that'll be good.
So in about 5 minutes, we got a usable outside surface that we can use to make a model of buck on.
So we'll generate this first. So hit the check mark.
And this will probably generate faster than
It'll generate a lot faster, yeah.
I mean, look at that.
It even got inside that surface pretty well.
So that'll work perfect for us for modeling. We should be able to make this watertight, I would think. And then you'd be able to print it, I believe. Software did not
Once we had this scale model 3D printed, I couldn't resist and I had to shape out a quick aluminum windscreen for it. So after 3D printing that fairing, Vince and I decided it would be kind of cool to take the old school approach to make a full scale one. Here's how we did that. When we have an existing part, I found that it's easiest to take tinfoil and just use tinfoil to lay over the compound curves and the shape of the existing part. And then once the tinfoil takes the shape through, gathering, wrinkling, squeezing, pushing it together, we just lay tape over it and you have a reversible pattern to use on either side. Vince took the pattern, laid it out on our material to be used for the fairing, and cut his template, and now he's shaping it. So I think what we could do, let's take the one that you've annealed, put this one on the vise, we'll anneal that one.
That's pretty close.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh man,
It brought it up a little bit on this front side.
that looks really good. I think we can move this off to the side so we have a nice area, and then we'll fit all of our pieces, we'll scribe them, trim them, and then the trick is going to be that we won't weld on that original fairing. We don't want to heat that baby up, but we'll scribe it in such a way that we can get the vice grips on and lock everything in, tack it.
Ooh, yeah, that's pretty close.
Haha, it's gonna be sweet.
Might not even have to trim that one.
You got lucky. It was finally time to move the project over to the welding table. Vince wasted no time picking up his TIG welding skills. He has had some experience with steel, but this was his first time welding aluminum. After a few practice runs, he was ready to tackle his fairing. Fits. Wow,
That's pretty tight.
that is. Far with your project.
All right, so we made 6 total panels, 4 corners, the center ring, and this little reverse right there. We got them welded together over the last couple days. We just made this fixture to keep that headlight ring round, and just about to scribe and cut this to sink the ring in, and then we'll be ready to weld it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then show the camera. Oh man, it does look so good when you cut the sides out.
Yeah, I'm excited for that cutout,
Uh-huh.
the reverse.
Yeah. It'll really make it look complete.
It looks like there's two heights. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. Ooh, that's nice.
Vince's next step was to make a pattern off the original fairing so he knew where to trim the excess material off of the new fairing.
Clean rules for life.
Yeah.